Welcome back to GetEducated.com. In this video, we will go through how to use filters to minimize your search for online degrees. Let's use the Online Degrees tab at the top of the page to get to the Accredited Online Degrees page. The Accredited Online Degrees page is host to the degree information we offer. To minimize your search, you can use the filters provided on the right side of the page. Let's say you are an aspiring bachelor degree student pursuing the business field with a concentration in business administration. Once you choose the options in the field of study and concentration filters, finish up by choosing the bachelor degree level. Click the Go button to complete your search. Now that we are on the right track to find an online bachelor's in business administration, we can do a few different things. If you're interested in learning more about the profession you are pursuing, give the introduction of your designated degree page a read. If you want to know more specifics about the pursuit of a business administration degree online, click the Read More button here and check out more information on the career path, ideal candidates, best jobs, expected coursework, and rough cost estimate of online business administration bachelor degrees. Now let's check out some of the degree listings GetEducated offers. You'll find the name of each school listed above the name of each degree, like this one here. Rivier University sits above their Bachelor of Science in Business Administration degree program. You may notice a few graphics below some of the listings. This flame graphic designates this degree as one of the more popular or trending degrees on our site. The blue ribbon graphic beside it designates this degree as one of GetEducated's best buy degrees, with below average tuition rates based on our unique ranking system. You also have the option to bypass the Accredited Online Degrees page and work directly from the GetEducated homepage by using the filters underneath the Degree Browser tab here. That's all for now. Stay tuned for the next Get Educated video in our series to learn more about the Get Educated website.